I picked up this old picnic table for 50 bucks. It's got good bones, but today we're going to restore it. You can really see how old and gray and weathered it's become over the years. I don't think it's received a coat of finish in quite a while. I got some grease from a grease gun on it. It just needs redone. I don't have a lot of time to work on this project today, so I thought it would be kind of fun if I challenged myself to a 1-hour restoration of this picnic table. It's part of the campground that we built here on our property, and it's part of our brand new campsite that I just built. And while it looks okay, I think we can make it a lot nicer, and that's the goal. So we're going to move it away from the actual campsite, because I'm probably going to make a little bit of a mess, and we'll get it into a better area, and then we'll start the timer and start working on it. Some of the items we'll be using here: big bag of DeWalt tools, a respirator, some sandpaper, pine tar, raw linseed oil, and just a brush and a little container for it. All right, so we're going to set a timer for 1 hour. Let's do it. All right, so we're starting off with the DeWalt planer. We're gonna set our dial and our gauge to take off, let's go a 1/16 of an inch. That already kind of looks like a new table. Next we have some 40 grit sandpaper. We're gonna hit it with to go with the hand planer. I am really running out of time. I don't think this is gonna work. Alright, so we're switching to a 120 grit to finish this table off. We're just gonna hit the top really quick, and then the seats or the benches. Not doing much here. We've got raw linseed oil, pine tar. Raw linseed oil for moisture protection, pine tar for UV protection. It's gonna make this look really good. It's what we used on the outhouse and our first picnic table, and I love how the stuff looks. Almost forgot, I should do a quick wipe. Get all the sawdust I can off here. But I'm down to like 6 minutes. So I don't think we're going to quite finish in 1 hour, but you know, we're pretty close. So with pine tar and linseed oil, you typically want about a 50-50 mixture. If it's a little off, that's okay. But we've got our measurements and our quantity. Whew, excuse me. Okay. I I decided to hit all these lower spots just so the colors will blend and match a little better. I know I didn't sand them, but still, we'll seal them and make it look pretty uniform. All right, so we're about an hour and a half in. I went a little bit over, but what can you do? The picnic table looks beautiful. The pine tar really brings out a really nice natural grain. And I know it looks pretty dark right now, but over time and as it cures even into tomorrow, it's going to lighten up quite a bit. And so we'll come back in about 24 hours and I'll show you guys what it looks like before we end the video. All right, about 1 day later, just gotta kind of tighten some of these bolts. All right, so 1 day later, this is kind of how it turned out and how it looks. It still has some curing to do. I can still tell it's wet, and so the table will lighten up quite a bit more as it looks pretty dark right now. But it really came out nice for only spending about an hour and a half on this project and only being in about 50 bucks. All the materials that I used I already had here at the house. So I bet you I could resell this puppy for $200, I bet, if I wanted to, but for the time being, it's going to look really good in our campground, and yeah, I really like how it came out. If you enjoyed a little restoration video kind of like this, let me know. Maybe I'll do some more here on the channel, but it was really fun to just kind of knock it out in an hour and a half time, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. So if you guys all enjoyed it, be sure to leave a big thumbs up on it, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video here on the Idaho Panhandlers. Thanks for watching.